Morning, guys. This is another episode of TradeBestpits where we trade the market and we give our levels and we actually tell you where we think the market can go and what do I see, what do we see in this market, and how do we trade it. Okay, so this morning we do have Apple. This morning we do have Apple, and this is what I see for Apple. I do this descending triangle, guys. So on pre-market I am at 224.75 at this point, so we could say that Apple could be going down. Apple could be going down. Now let's assume that this is something that we see. Okay, so this is one of our this is what we can see here. This is what I see. So I have 225 right all the way here to 224. We could say Apple could go all the way to this all the way here, maybe all the way to 223.83 first. That's what we want to see for Apple. 223.83 or 223.78. I want to target 223.83, and then I want to go all the way lower again up to 220 up to 223 level. So 223, I want to go all the way to 223 level, guys. So 223 level. I have a 223.30, guys. So now, so this is this is what I see for Apple. So 223 223.93 all the way to 223.30 or 223 level, guys. So I probably can go a little bit down here. Now if we break this 223.30, guys, we could see 223 level exactly, a 223 level. 223 level, guys, will probably be clearly right here, and then from there we could see is Apple showing us like 222 level again. 222.50 level, guys. And let's say for those who's watching the TradeBestpits, I always say that, hey, what happened for a reversal, right? What happened if pre-market right here we are this 223.96? What happened if you just bouncing around a certain type of level, right? So we're bouncing around a certain type of level. We could see also Apple not breaking lower than that 224.75, and then Apple going back up, right? So Apple could also be going back up to break this level 225.83 all the way to the 226 level. So that's what we could also see, guys. So this is one way to see that it could go back on a 225. Is it breaking that 225 level? You break the 225 level, and then we can go all the way up to that 226, and then above that we could see Apple probably closing this gap that we see here all the way up. All right, guys, so this is Apple this morning. Okay, morning, guys. So this morning is SPY pre-market on the 598.07. I have this level that I see that Apple could be breaking lower than here. I can see that if it is breaking lower, we could see this. I'm targeting 593, guys. So this is what I'm targeting for SPY. This is not Apple, guys. I'm so used to say Apple. Every morning, for those who's watching, please like, subscribe our short for Apple's level. We have this channel where we have the TradeBestpits, and we do talk about Apple level sometime and where we see that Apple could be going. So this morning will be SPY, and I have this target on the 593. This is me for SPY. And then if he's really rejecting, we have to go all the way, probably breaking that 599.13, and then we could see the 600 level up to probably 506.03. This is also the level that I have for the upper level on SPY. probably up to 603 level. 603, maybe 602.50. I want to stick on the 602.50, 603 level. Okay, guys, so 602.50, 603 level. This is what I see. All right, so guys, if you break lower than 593, you could see 591 or 592, but I will wait until we actually have this break, right? So the 593, 594 level to be broken, and clearly I want to see that he's breaking the 595 82 level, and then he's breaking this 594 level and all the way to my 593 level. Okay, guys, so this is for SPY. All right, guys, so for this morning, this will be Tesla pre-market. We're on 326 level. Okay, guys, so for Tesla right now, pre-market is 326 because Tesla moved. I will say that it will be good to kind of like evaluate a little bit more. Okay, guys, so I think for Tesla, it could move all the way to a 330 level, guys. So past a 330, let's say 330 level, 232 level, or maybe move up to 230, like 230, 231, 236. Those are things that Tesla can do. Moving to the 330, I will target it up to 342. Moving above the 332 level, I will target it to the 337 up to 340 level. Guys, this is my view on Tesla right now. But then lower level, I will target Tesla 3 up to the 330 of 22. So Tesla losing that level of the 322, like I was saying, like losing the 322 level. So wait until the 322 level and probably lower. 322.88 is my target. Breaking that 222.88 level, 322.50. Then I will target probably up to the 312, probably lower. So 312 level, guys. So this is my 312 level. Let's say the 312 can target 322 level all the way to probably, let's say, guys, it could go down 10 point, or it could go breaking the 222. It could go down 10 point. But how do I play it? I may play it 322, maybe 317 first, and then after that I move a little bit. Okay, guys, so that's what I think. I have a target up to 312. Those are my level. Breaking above the 330, 332 level, upper level, I have a target up to like that 337 all the way to 340 level. Okay, so this is Tesla. Don't forget to like, share. Alright, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this channel. This is TradeBestpits. Until next time.